So welcome back everyone, Dan here with nowherefast.everywherecool.com. This time life on the road has taken us into Wales for lambing season. We hope you enjoy the babies as much as we did. These little guys were everywhere we went, and we had a lot of footage, so we thought we'd share it with you. Hope you enjoyed. See you again soon. Stay tuned for more stories as we make our midlife gap year a reality. And for the rest of the ride, check us out at nowherefast.everywherecool.com. Subscribe to the website for updates. You can also like, comment, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and this YouTube channel. See you again soon. Take care, and keep on traveling.